Fruits versus mental health meds, which one works better? Today, I want to discuss a topic that is very close to my heart: mental health. So, let's talk about fruits versus mental health meds, which one works better? First of all, let me be clear that I am not saying that fruits can replace mental health meds. For some people, medication is absolutely necessary and can be life-saving. However, for others, making changes in their diet can have a significant impact on their mental health. So, how do fruits help with mental health? Well, they are packed with nutrients that are essential for brain health, such as vitamin C and E, folate, and potassium. These nutrients can help reduce inflammation, improve mood, and protect against oxidative stress. Plus, fruits are a great source of fiber, which can help regulate blood sugar levels and promote a healthy gut microbiome, both of which are important for mental health. On the other hand, mental health meds work by altering the levels of neurotransmitters in the brain, such as serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine. These medications are often necessary for people with mental health conditions, such as depression or anxiety, and can be life-changing. So, which one works better? It really depends on the individual. For some people, medication is necessary to manage their mental health symptoms. For others, making changes in their diet, such as incorporating more fruits, can make a significant difference. In conclusion, fruits and mental health meds are both important for mental health, and each person's needs are unique.